Hello shining stars, welcome back to my channel Seraphic Star Life. I hope you guys are taking good care of yourself and your loved ones. Thank you for always being so loving and supporting to me. And if you have just stumbled upon my channel, then a warm welcome to you on this flourishing, thriving and abundant channel energy. I am Dimple Sharma. My page name is Seraphic Star Life and I am a tarot card reader, spiritual healer and a coach. I love creating tarot guidance, pick a card readings, birthday special messages, spiritual practices, self-healing and manifesting videos on this channel. Now, if you also want to request a birthday reading for yourself or for someone else, then you need to request in a week at once. My Instagram link and Facebook page link is mentioned in the description box below. You can connect with me to request the reading for you or for someone else, the birthday special reading. Now coming to the video, wishing a very happy birthday to all the shining stars who have their birthdays today on 30th September. The video is created with highest intentions to provide you guidance about what you need to know right now for your upcoming year and how you can make the most of it using the guidance given here. Comment below if you know someone who have their birthdays today. Please do share this video with your friends, family and loved ones and make their day a little special with the guidance for their upcoming year. Remember, this is a general reading and you may not resonate with everything that I give as the guidance here. So whatever guidance resonates with you or with your situation, be receptive to it and take it with you. Enjoy the reading. Now, as you can see here, I have laid out the 3 cards here. So this is the birthday spread that I use for all my birthday message videos. So the first card here is the energy for your upcoming 6 months. You can say the energy or the theme of your upcoming 6 months. The second card here is the energy, the strength or the lessons that you need to learn in order to evolve in this upcoming year. The third card here is the energy that tells the outcome of the upcoming year. How is it going to be like in the ultimate potential that you have in this upcoming year. Now, beautiful cards first of all, and there was an additional card for you which I'll cover up when I'll come to this card. So first, talking about this card, the first card is the 9 of Summer and the first guidance is make a wish. Yes, the first message is that make a wish, whatever you really want on this birthday. The fairies are asking you to make a wish, and this card being the first card here, it represents the energy of the upcoming 6 months. So you are most likely to have, the most happening energy around you, full of joy, happiness, prosperity, fun and good fortune. So it's a time for you to sit and cherish the success you deserve for all your hard work that you have done in the past. Also, because the number 9 is number of completion, I very strongly feel that whatever you have been trying to manifest is now coming to fruition, be it for health, career, relationship. It is one of the most fulfilling card to come up in a reading. If there has been anything that you really want to manifest in life, I would say go for it. In these upcoming 6 months, there are so many ways in this upcoming 6 months you can use this energy and you can manifest your goals and desires. Scripting, or you can say journaling, is one of the best ways. The energy is very promising. So the guidance is that you clear your mind, okay, create an intention. What is it that you need to manifest? Then write it on a journal. Stay in this routine and follow it for minimum of 21 days or till the time you manifest it. Make sure the days when you are manifesting, whatever is it that you are manifesting, you need to reverberate on higher frequencies. Okay, so this is a very beautiful card. I really wish you all that whatever you are trying to manifest comes to fruition, whatever is it. I hope it's good that you're trying to manifest, and it's a really lovely card. I really love this card. Okay, now coming to the second card, the High Priestess. So with this card, I have an additional card for you because it just fell when I was picking the cards for you. Actually, when I was shuffling the cards for you, and it all makes so sense because both these cards are number 2 cards, and somewhere the meaning, the guidance is also coming same for you all. So I thought of including this card in your reading. Now, this second card represents the number 2, right? The High Priestess. This card represents your energy, that is your strength, the lessons that you need to learn in this upcoming year, right? So the fairies from both the cards are advising you to deepen your relationship with yourself. Your intuition is going to be very strong this year, and if you trust and listen to your intuition, you would be able to make better decisions in your life. I feel a lot of you in this upcoming year are going to explore your spiritual side. And about this card, all about something that you know what you need to do, but you have been just avoiding it for long now. So you know what you need to do, but you are just procrastinating it. So this is an awakening call for you to revive yourself and start taking actions on it. So do not procrastinate it this year. If it is something that is related to your life purpose, what you want to do, if you want to do something else in your life other than what you are currently doing in your life, then the cards are very positive for the same. So if there is something that you want to do in your life other than what you're doing currently, be it in relationship, be it in your career, so make sure you listen to your intuition, your inner voice, and follow it. That's the guidance that I see for you. Now, coming back to the third card. Okay, the Queen of Springs. Well, you guys are really up for some major manifestations in this upcoming year. So this becomes very important for each one of you to please watch out for your thoughts. What are you thinking? Where is your focus? Make sure your focus is only on what you really need to see in your life. The intuition, like I said above also, this year your intuition is going to be very strong. So listen to your intuition. Try to meditate and listen to your inner voice. That's the only way how you can listen to your intuition, what you really need right now in your life. You are going to be a lot more creative in this upcoming year. A very strong message that I see for you all is that you really need to step up into your power. You have that energy, you have that talent, but somehow, like this card also said, that you have not been really doing what you need to do. So make sure that you revive yourself. You tap into your power, into your higher conscious mind, and listen to the energies, to concentrate, focus on the energies, that what is it that you really need to do, and bring that change in your life. Your energy is going to be full of enthusiasm. The upcoming year is really not a year for you to be slow. The fairies are advising you to start taking the action for things you really need to see growing in your life. Okay, that's all that I have for you, shining stars. I hope you really like the guidance. Do give a thumbs up for the video, and have a beautiful birthday full of joy, happiness, and lots of positivity and divine blessings. Thank you so much for watching this video, and yes, please do not forget to share it with your friends and family. If you would like to take a personal tarot reading session, then you can connect through my Instagram handle mentioned in the description box below. See you soon in another video. Thank you and namaste.